Hey, what's up everyone? Don't mind the hair, just woke up. I know, a likely story. But anyways, I'm going to show you the animal rooms. And I've done a lot of moving around anyways in the last week or so with all of the animals. About the only one that's stayed in the same room is actually Nixie. And I'm in her room right now. And she's in there somewhere, hiding in the back here. But yeah, so this is her room, and now she's sharing it with the rats as well. And on top of that, she's also going to be sharing it with the lionhead rabbit, which we haven't gotten yet. We've been working on getting, but had a difficult time contacting a reliable breeder, so that's where we are there. Next room. Not very full at all. We just have this little corner used right now anyways. But this is for the snakes. And they're all in their racks now. Or in the rack now. And Caesar's back there underneath the hide and kind of see his nose a little bit. They all just got fed last night, so they're just chilling in the heat. You see Pyretta back there. She's usually in her hide over here, but staying back there for today. And she's yet to use this hide, so I'm probably going to end up taking it out of here if she doesn't use it pretty soon. And got some sphagnum moss in there for her as she's getting ready to shed. So, keep the humidity up a little bit, help her out there. And can just barely see Sandy. Little head out of the nose. And she's going to be getting ready to shed soon, I expect, as well. And so she's got her humidity box in the back there. And I'll tell you what, with these racks keep humidity so awesome. Very impressed with them. Time to change their water, though. Forgot to do that yesterday. I'm a slacker. Let's see. Somewhere in here is Steve. And I don't see him anywhere. But he's in here. And as you guys know, I only have 4 snakes at the moment. So the 5th drawer I'm pretty much just using right now, where the thermostat plugs in. So it shows me what the heat is, so it works pretty well for now. Alright, so that's the snake room. And then, in here, this is where the snakes used to be kept. I still have all their cages I gotta clean out. No rush on that though, because I won't be getting any new snakes until probably March-ish. Good word. But, anyways, March, April, somewhere in there. New snakes, which will be awesome. And this is going to become the quarantine room for them. So, they'll be in here for a month or 2 by themselves. And then eventually get moved into the other room, as hopefully I'll have another rack by then. So, that's about it. Charlie's down there, next to the heater. And Shock is right there. Just chilling up. They pretty much follow me, whatever room I'm in is where they are. But, kind of like dogs, really. And that's going to be about it, though. So, until next time, have a good one, everyone.